Yeah.
We'll start whenever you're required. We'll just have homework. Alright, I have a joke for you guys today. It's what did the number 0 say to the number 8?
Nice belt.
Nice belt because it looks like it's wearing a belt.
Yeah, like a 0.
Alright, yeah, it looks like a 0 belt. Okay, everyone needs a sheet of paper. It can be a scratch sheet of paper. Yeah, and a pencil. Okay, on your paper, I want you guys to solve 1 through 3 as a review from yesterday. Alright, Jeffrey, will you come do number 1? Board. Yeah. Shut up. Guys, you shouldn't be talking. Okay, does anyone have any questions about what we did yesterday? No? Okay, good. You need to take out your math notebook. Write these 3 things down in your math notebook. What we're going to do today. Because yesterday we learned how to solve one-step equations with adding and subtraction. And today we're doing multiplication and division. Okay, so the key thing to remember is whatever you do to one side of the equation, you need to do to the other side of the equation. And we're always trying to get the variable by itself. So to undo multiplication, we need to divide. So what would we divide by? 4, because you're trying to get this x by itself. So you divide both sides by 4. These 2 4s will cancel out, and you're left with x equals what's 12 divided by 4? 3. And if you want to check your answer to see if you're right, you just have to plug this 3 back into the x. So 4 times 3 should equal 12, and it does, so you know you're right. I copied down this example because you'll need it later. Does everyone have a copy? Erase it. Alright. Okay, now to undo division, what do we use? Multiplication. So what would I multiply both sides by? 2, because you're trying to get the x by itself. And what's really important to remember is you either here's number 3. Well, hold on. Okay, let's look at number 1 really fast. Guys, you need to stop talking. Okay, you can help her. Okay, look up here. Did you do it right? No. Both sides. Okay, what you actually... He has the bar, he just did a big one. Oh, wait. You did the bar in the wrong place. Okay, look up here. The 3x is divided by 3, so the bar needs to go right under the number that's already in the problem. So then the 3's cancel out, and this becomes x equals 4. Raise your hand if you got 4 for the answer. No. Okay. What did I say coming number 2? I'm going to give you guys whiteboards. But if you are sitting there drawing on the whiteboard, making little smiley faces, writing them, I'm going to take them away and you're just going to have to solve the problems on a piece of paper. Okay? This is just for math. And this we're going to do.
Yes.
Alright. What is going to happen is I am going to read a problem out, and I can put it on the board if I need to put it on the board. And you guys are going to solve it on your whiteboards. And I want to see the steps. So if it's like 3x equals 12, I want to see that you divide it both sides by 3. And when it's time, I'm going to ask you to hold up your whiteboards so we can see the answer. And I'm going to ask someone to explain what they did. And it can be as simple as I divided both sides by 4. Okay. And then what is going to happen, don't play with the markers, is the person who I asked to explain the answer means they got it correct. And they're going to get to guess a letter in our hangman game. And if they get the answer, okay, the first problem is negative 5n equals 35. And remember, I want to see your steps. I want to see what you did. Alright, hold them up. I want to see what everyone did. Alright. Courtney, what should the answer be? Wait, okay, if you're messing with the whiteboard, I'm going to take them away. It's really simple. You write on it, you put it down, and you erase it. Okay, what was the answer? Negative 7. Okay, what did you do to solve the problem?
I divided negative 5.
Yes, you divide both sides by negative 5. And it needs to look like this. I saw a lot of people, negative 5, who have this big old line. What you need to do is you're dividing this by negative 5 and 35 by negative 5. Okay, you can hold them up when you're done. Okay, I'm going to change the rules to the hangman a little bit. You only get to guess one letter because we have to practice more problems. And that takes long. So, yeah, everybody got it right. What's the answer? 26. Okay, Ethan, what letter do you want? N? Okay. What I'll tell you after this. Okay, what do you do to undo multiplication? Use division. How do you undo division? Multiplication. How do you have to do division?
The bar.
Yeah, you have to use the bar. No little dividing sign. Okay,